Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up class and location tracking in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to enable class and location tracking. So go to settings and then account and settings. And then under that, you find advanced. Under the category section, you want to turn on track classes or track locations and then save your changes. Step 2 is to create your classes. So navigate to settings, all list, classes. Now click new to add each class such as retail, wholesale, or online sales. Step 3 is to create your location. Go to settings, all list, locations. Click new and then enter each location name. This could be store branches, offices, or regions. Next step is to assign classes and location to transactions. Now, when creating invoices, bills, or expenses, you want to select the correct class or location from the drop-down menu. Step 5 is to run class or location reports. Go to reports, search for profit and loss by class or profit and loss by location to analyze performance. A pro tip is to use both class and location tracking together to get a more detailed breakdown of your business operations. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.